Hi, so today we're going over Leetcode 973 question, k closest points to a region. So we have a list of points on the plane. Find the k closest points to the region 0, 0. Here, the distance between 2 points on a plane is the Euclidean distance. You may return the answer to any order. The answer is guaranteed to be unique except for the order that is in. Okay, so it's a little bit confusing, but let's look at example. So point 1, 3 minus 2, 2 k equal to 1, output minus 2, 2. So the explanation is that the distance between 1, 3 and the origin is square root of 10, and the distance between minus 2, 2 to the origin is square root of 8. Since square root 10 is bigger than square root of 8, so the point minus 2, 2 is closer to the origin. We only want the closest one, closest k equal 1 points from the origin, so the answer is just like that. So for example, if we want the closest 2 points to origin, and our points has 3 numbers, so we output the closest 2 points. Yeah, so you can see that in the note, our k is always bigger than 1, and it's less or equal to the points of length. Okay, so if we're coding in Python, we can use the sort, least sort, and lambda function, and this should be like 2 or 3 liners. First of all, let's check one corner case is when k is equal to the number of points. So when it's equal, we just output the points. So if our length of points is equal to our k, we don't need to sort or anything. We just need to return our original points, and it says that it doesn't have to be like sorted, right? So it can be any order. Otherwise, it's different. So the points is always bigger than the k, and we just need to sort the points. So points, we can use the Python's built-in function called sort, and it can take a optional parameter called key. So key is the criteria that you want the list to be sorted, and we can create a lambda function here. So lambda function, if you're not familiar, definitely check that out. But yeah, so if we are in the least sort, and we can create a lambda like this. So key equals lambda x, and column and we can say that x 0 time itself plus x 1 and time itself, and we can have a clause here. So this is basically saying that for each of the points, we multiply its first index by itself and multiply its second index by itself, and that's basically our distance multiplied by the distance, and that's how we want it to be sorted. And the sort function by default sorts the number from the